Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about why sell online. There are multiple questions people have, multiple queries come to me. So we'll just see the significance of e-commerce into business growth opportunity. In this video, we are going to discuss about in detail advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce business, mainly sellers and business point of view. Here is a e-commerce. We know it's online or electronic commerce where purchases and sales through computers, internet happens. And we know it's India is between the demographical, geographical, and different thought processes. That's why we call India as a vivid India. And so there is a no escape for online when we talk about different thought process about online. And for sure, everyone has a perception on based of their experiences and they're based on their knowledge about online. Before we go into advantages and disadvantages, we talk about current developments and future growth opportunities of the e-commerce business. So we know for a fact government's initiative like Digital India, Startup India, Make in India. So those are helping to boost e-commerce business. India is the fastest growing e-commerce platform or e-commerce market, expected to reach almost 200% by 2026. India's e-commerce market is expected to reach 84 billion US dollar by 2021. That is next year. India permitted 100% FDI into the marketplace business. Same time, government also putting money to get that speed, and all this directly, indirectly impacting small, micro, and MSME industries through the different type of training, technology, and financing happens through this online business. And government's initiative like paperless, cashless, or digital economy. So these are the some futures prospectus about e-commerce business. And so we must agree, e-commerce business has changed the way India used to shop, and there is a different way direction shown by e-commerce business to the India. And you can now name the product and you will get that product online available. This is only happened because of penetration of internet and mobile into Indian market. Along with that, current situation of pandemic also given us another direction to go for digital India, digital currency, online business. So here are some benefits of e-commerce business. First benefit, what we get out of an e-commerce business is you no need to have brick and mortar store or physical store to run the online business. Online works 24 by 7 and 365 days. You can work from home, you can work from anywhere, and customer is always available on online platform. This gives you flexibility of time, flexibility of place, and things. Third point is here you can reach any customer globally. So you are always available for across globe customer, and any customer can place order for your product from anywhere. Online gives another opportunity of level playing field. You can compete with any big player. That was not possible with the physical stores because always money matters. Point number five, investment for online business is very low. You need not to invest into storefront, you need not to invest into the staffs. You have to just invest into the product and shoot up the product or packaging of the product. Point number six, there is no fixed cost to pay until you sell. So whatever you are doing online, you have to pay all the expenses after you sell the product. Most important point of any business is a customer. You need not to wait for customer on online e-commerce business. Point number eight, quick and on-time payment. Payment is a payment dynamics always need for business, any type of business, and online help you with that. Whatever you sold in particular period, you get that money in a defined timeline. Brand visibility and awareness you got from online business is tremendous. Point number 10, you can expand your niche product category on this online platform because this is one of the category, this niche product category is always difficult to find, but customer will get benefited and same time you through the online business. So these are some 10 points we discussed about benefits of the online, but same time there is always disadvantages also along with the advantages. There are 4 5 disadvantages of online. One is the returns and exchanges. Yes, this is a critical point. But when customer is not physically touching product, physically feel the product, then it's definitely chances of you will get return of the product, even if your product is good or bad. Online frauds. Uh, Customer is skeptical about using their bank details and cards on online. Lack of personal touch to the customer is another point of disadvantages, where you can't expect the loyalty or you can't expect the direct connect to the customer. Point number four, payment reconciliation is task. Yes, definitely. These are the issues because online is a slightly complicated process when it comes to discount, when it comes to promotion. Again, complicated processes of online logistics, different types of penalties. So there is a need of reconciliation time to time basis. Last, and we can say it's a disadvantages or we can say it's a advantages too. But competitive environment for any product. Uh, Till date, retailers used to take a benefit of exclusivity, accessibility. They used to charge more for certain products. Now, with the because of this online, you have to be competitive enough in the market. So these are the some disadvantages of online. So there is always pros and cons of any business, and but same time you have to understand potential and the speed of the business. Advantages of e-commerce in the point of society, business, and customer is always overcome the disadvantages of the online business. So we must admit this, and so many advantages of e-commerce. No wonder if we look into the future of the e-commerce business by 2021 or by 2026, there's a tremendous potential available. It's always better and wise decision for a seller to be on an online platform, to be available on a platform where customer is readily available, and there is always right time to start any new beginning. With all my videos, I'm trying to share some knowledge and value to the people. So hope you like my video, and like if you liked the video, please press like button so that I can reach to multiple people. To watch such videos in future, press bell icon and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Anil Deshmukh on a mission to help people, signing off our day.